Hi everyone, let's get started with hpinspire 7955E. This is the printer and there's a small screen which you can see here. Scroll it down from the top and then click on the setup, then scroll down and you can see printer maintenance there. Hit the printer maintenance and then go to the restore, last option, and then you can select restore factory defaults. Hit factory defaults and then hit continue. Now it will restore to the factory defaults and now you can connect to the different Wi-Fi connection. Thank you.